Okay, today I am going to demonstrate putting a picture in Gimp. Okay, we can see this picture is open, and now I'm just going to go get another picture to place on this picture. So I have to click File, click Open as Layers, and I'm going to select this photograph here of two American crows. And I'm going to now click Open. Okay, we can see that this photo covers our last photo, the photo of the dark-eyed junco. And we can see this photo is still selected. You can see it has a line border around it. So now we have to resize this image so that it doesn't totally cover the last picture. So I'm going to click Layer and Scale Layer. Okay, so we can see our layer size is width and height, and I'm going to select percent. Okay, now we're going to change it by percentage. We're going to change the width to 20%, and we're going to change the height to 20%, although exactly it's 20.06% for the height. And our interpolation under quality here, I think we should just leave that at the default cubic. And now we're going to scale that layer. Okay, now we've shrunk that picture, and we can see that it's still bordered. We're going to go click this Move tool here, just to put it in a more appropriate position, pardon me. And I'm going to take it and move it up here. Okay, that's our image. It's our picture-in-picture effect here in Gimp. This is Gimp version 2.10.32, pardon me, revision 1. Okay, let's just now export this new image so we can view it in the browser. Our picture-in-picture image now. I'm going to click File, and I'm going to click Export As, picture-in-picture.jpg. That's awesome, that's a nice name. And our folder, Gimp picture-in-picture, is already selected. So now I'm going to click the Export button. And I will leave the quality at 94. Everything looks good here. And export the image now. Okay, now let's just open the folder. And there's our new image, the picture-in-picture. And now let's secondary click it. Open with Google Chrome. And there it is. Isn't that awesome?